Dear students, today we will see the next part of Tally, that is multiple ledger. In Tally, we can create single ledger and multiple ledger. Even sometime there may be a question how we can create multiple ledgers or how we can make the modifications with the multiple ledgers. Multiple ledger is a concept. By that we can create many number of ledgers under one head called groups. That means by using one group we can create many number of ledgers. In single ledger we have to create ledgers one by one, but in multiple ledgers at a time we can create many ledgers. And the stepwise method is: step 1, switch to Gateway of Tally screen. Step 2, select Accounts Info option. Step 3, select Ledgers option. Step 4, select Multiple Ledger section. Then step 5, select Create option. Step 6, select the group name in the Under Group field. Step 7, type list of ledgers one by one, and then step 8, accept the changes by pressing Y or Ctrl plus E. Okay, this is how we can create multiple ledgers. Now we will see how to display multiple ledger. Okay, so the step 1, same, switch to Gateway of Tally screen. Step 2, select Accounts Info option. Step 3, select Ledgers option. Step 4, select Multiple Ledger section. Then step 5, select Display. Then in the step 6, it will ask for the group name. First it will ask the group name, of which group you want to display the related ledgers. Then in the step 7, it displays all the ledgers related to selected group. Okay, that is to display or alter ledgers, multiple ledger. Step 1, switch to Gateway of Tally screen. Step 2, select Accounts Info menu. Step 3, select Ledgers option. Step 4, select Multiple Ledger section. Then step 5, select Alter option. Now we will take Alter here. Step 6, select the group name in Under Group field. Then step 7, it displays all the ledgers related to selected group. Then we can modify any ledgers, ledger names you can modify, or you can cancel any ledgers. Step 9, accept the changes by pressing Y or Ctrl plus E. Now we will see demo on all these concepts. So creating, displaying and modifying ledgers. Now we are in the Gateway of Tally screen. The first step is switch to Gateway of Tally screen. Select Accounts Info menu. In that, select Ledgers. In that, select Multiple Ledger section. There are two sections, single ledger, multiple ledger. Select Create. Then it will ask for the Under Group option. In Under Group, select the ledger. I'll take Indirect Expenses. Okay, even you can take some other. Maybe we can take bank accounts. Okay, I'll take bank accounts. Now I'll take syndicate bank account. Under bank account, maybe SBI account. Again under bank account. So then maybe IDBI bank account. So in this way we can create many ledgers under one head by using multiple ledger concept. Then accept the changes by pressing yes. Okay. Now second method is how we can display multiple ledgers. Same, switch to gateway of tally screen, select accounts info, then select ledgers. Then in the multiple ledger section, select display. Then we can take bank accounts to display the ledgers related to bank account. Even if I want to make some changes, then it's not possible to make changes here. We can display. Only we can display the ledger by using display. In the gateway of tally screen, select accounts info, select ledgers, select alter in the multiple ledger section, then select the bank account. Now we can make the changes. Okay. So in the multiple ledger, it's not possible to delete. That we will see here. Maybe I'll delete this one and I'll press enter. Again, if I press bank account, it will show the syndicate bank account. That means in multiple ledger, we can create, we can modify, or we can display. Deleting any ledger is not possible. So to delete ledger, you have to take the single ledger. Creating voucher type or customizing voucher type. So already there are 18 different type of vouchers in Tally. We can change those 18 types of vouchers. But in the new Tally, there are 22 types of vouchers. But we will take as per the books of your syllabus. So there are 18 types of vouchers. Step 1. Switch to Gateway of Tally screen. Step 2. Select Accounts Info option in the Accounts Info. Now we will select Voucher Type to display Voucher Type menu. Then select Create to create new voucher type or alter or modify or to display. That means if the questions are creating voucher type, you can use the same type of steps, but at the step 4 you can change. Maybe you can take select create to create new voucher type, select alter to modify, select display to display. Okay. And in the step 5, type new ledger name under name. If you select create, then type the new ledger name under name. Select group name in under option and opening balance if available. Then press enter or control A to accept. Okay. So we will see the demo of all the options. And again I'll explain that one. In the gateway of tally screen, switch to gateway of tally screen. Step 1. Step 2. Select accounts info menu. In that you can see options, groups, ledgers and voucher type. Now select voucher types. Now first we will display. So select display. Then you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 different type of vouchers by default available. Now we can go for create. We can create new vouchers called invoice. Okay, or we can take sales invoice. Sales invoice. Then type of voucher. When we are creating new voucher, we have to take under any one of the basic voucher type. That means I want sales invoice just like sales. That we have to indicate. Okay, now Create sales voucher just like same as sales voucher. Abbreviation, maybe you can take sale. Then method of voucher numbering. By default, when there is a sales voucher, there will be automatic numbering. You can change it like manual numbering. Okay. Now press enter. Prevent duplicates. If one is entering one voucher number, again don't take that same number. That we can make by using prevent duplicates. Yes. Then use effective date for vouchers. Yes, we can take. Make optional as default, leave those things. Use common narration, yes, whether you want narration at the down or for each accounting entry, you want the narration that you can specify here. Use common narrations for each entry. Then go on pressing the enter. Print after saving voucher. That means whether you want to print automatically after creating the voucher. That means after creating the voucher, at the end it will ask print yes or no, then it saves the voucher. Okay, so that we can activate. So we will not select anything. Whether you want to do some declaration like some rules or things you can mention for the sales invoice. Okay, now sales invoice is created. We can check it out by using display. Same way, switch to gateway of Tally, accounts info, voucher types, then display. You can see there is sales invoice. Okay, that we created equivalent to sales. Then alter, you can modify, or if you want to make some changes, the same method, but only thing is alter, then it displays the list of vouchers. In that we can select our voucher. Now we will see the effect of it. Move to accounting vouchers. Okay, when you press sales button or F8, okay, sales button, it will give two voucher names, sales and sales invoice. Sales is default one, it is Tally sales voucher. Sales invoice, what we have created. Okay, enter. You can see here this invoice number I can change. I can mention like RGC/0001. Okay, this is possible. As well as you can specify the company name. Okay, while creating, that is possible by using voucher class. Okay, in Tally there is a option called voucher class that we will see now. So in the gateway of Tally screen, accounts info, voucher types, we will alter that sales invoice. Okay, select the sales invoice, then take sales invoice, sales, manual. Okay, you can make it automatic. Use advanced configuration, yes. Here we can take yes, and we can mention starting number 1, width of numerical part 4. Okay, minimum 4 I want, that I can specify. Even for the 1 we can take width of numerical field is 4. Refill with 0, yes. That means specify 0001, 0002, like that way. That means always show the width as 4 digit. Then applicable from, maybe from 1st April. Okay, starting number is 1. Even you can yearly, if you want to change the voucher numbers, then it is possible by this method, restart numbering. Then prefix details. Maybe as I said, I want RGC/ every time. Or even I want to mention the year 2020 minus 2021. RGC/2020 2021. Even you can mention in that way as short 2021. Then press enter. It's applicable from 1st April. Here you can mention RGC slash or minus 20 RGC slash 20 minus 21, and we will press the enter. Okay, now we will see how it appears in the voucher entry screen. In accounting vouchers, we can see sales invoice, that is with RGC slash 2021, but directly it is showing 0001. That means we have to take one more slash here. We will make that change. Accounts info, voucher type, alter, then go to sales invoice, then go to automatic use advanced configuration. Yes. So here we can take RGC slash 2021 slash, okay, enter. One pressing the enter key, save this one. Then again move to accounts info, voucher types. Now move to accounting vouchers. Then in accounting vouchers, we can see the sales invoice RGC slash 2021 slash 0001. That means we can create bill number type by using creating our own invoice. Okay, when you press F8, it will show two options: sales, that is normal one, and if you press F8 and again sales invoice, it will show the created voucher type. Thank you, students. Today we have seen multiple ledger and how to create voucher type. Thank you. God bless you.